Guys, welcome again. Myself MD Tariq Anwar. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department at St Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. Today I am going to discuss the topic that is turbulent flow, which is very important topic, but at graduation level uh, very little concept is required. This is the actually topic of the PG, or you can say postgraduate level. So I'll explain little bit of the turbulent flow concept and pendant mixing length theory and formula of a smooth and rough pipe in case of turbulent flow. So focus here. This is the video lecture number 27 which I am delivering on the subject, that is fluid mechanics, and unit number 4. So first of all we will discuss what is turbulent flow. What is turbulent flow? Turbulent flow is nothing but when the flow will is turbulent, or you can say as per Reynolds number, if the number is greater than 4000, sorry. So this is known as turbulent flow. So turbulent flow through pipes. See this diagram here. I have shown u is the velocity and t is the time. So I am plotting u on y-axis and time in on x-axis. So see this variation in the flow, zigzag diagram here. So here I have drawn a line that is red in color, and I have given notation u bar is time average velocity. U bar is nothing but time average velocity. So considering this line is passing through turbulent flow, a zigzag line. So considering u is the velocity at any instant of time, so u dash and v dash, this is also the velocity. I'll explain each and every term in the below page. So focus on this diagram. There u dash, which is from the u bar. Now focus on the right hand side diagram. That is, we want a velocity above the u bar. The velocity will be u is equal to u dash plus u bar. Clear? Summation of both. Similarly, if you find or you want velocity below u bar, so it will u is equal to u bar minus u dash, because value is given in the diagram, u dash and u dash and u bar. Clear? So after summarizing these concepts, that is u is equal to u dash plus u bar and u is equal to u bar minus u dash, so we can write u is equal to u bar plus minus u dash. So Bosenics give the equation or given the equation for turbulent as tau is equal to mu du upon dy plus eta du upon dy. I'll explain, where mu is the fluid characteristics and eta is, or you can say, flow characteristic. This equation is not used in practice because eta is difficult to find. Clear? So Reynolds suggested the equation for turbulent flow as tau is equal to, बेसिनिक्स का जो इक्वेशन है वो हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हम ईटा फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन से इफिशिएंसी वाला जो टर्म होता है वो ये है ईटा, इनको हमने क्या किया, लंबा खींच दिया. सो नोटेशन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. Reynolds suggested, so due to this is not applicable, so Reynolds suggested the equation for turbulent flow as tau is equal to rho u dash v dash in the rectangular block, that is, which is red in color. So where u dash and v dash are fluctuating components in x and y direction respectively, already shown in the diagram. That is, u dash and v dash are fluctuating component in x and y direction. क्लियर हो गया? करेक्ट. नाउ वेयर अगेन यू बार इज द टाइम एवरेज वेलोसिटी विच ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. यू बार क्या है? टाइम एवरेज वेलोसिटी. यू डैश वी डैश क्या है? फ्लक्चुएटिंग कंपोनेंट्स इन एक्स एंड वाई डायरेक्शन. यू होगा एक्स डायरेक्शन में होगा, वी होगा तो वाई डायरेक्शन में होगा. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस Prandtl mixing length theory in transverse direction. What do you mean by in transverse direction? Means fluid is flowing in a pipe. Mixing length कहाँ पे होगा? In transverse direction. Means from bottom to top, or you can say from center of the pipe to boundary of the pipe. In transverse direction. This is known as Prandtl mixing length theory. Mixing length is that length in transverse direction wherein the lump of particles after colliding lose excess momentum and reach the momentum same as the top local environment. Read the definition again, it will be clear. Mixing length is that length in transverse direction. Mixing length जो है वो ट्रांसवर्स डायरेक्शन में कंसिडर किया जाएगा और वो लेंथ है वेयर इन द लंप ऑफ पार्टिकल. पूरे पार्टिकल्स को मैंने ले लिया, समथिंग फ्लूइड पार्टिकल्स मूव कर रहा है. आफ्टर कोलाइडिंग, टर्बुलेंट फ्लो में होगा तो क्या कोलाइड तो करेगा. आफ्टर कोलाइडिंग लूज एक्सेस मोमेंटम. एक्सेस मोमेंटम क्या करो? लूज कर रहा है. एंड रीच द मोमेंटम सेम एज अ टॉप लोकल इन्वॉल्वमेंट. जो टॉप पे जो मोमेंटम था उसको वो कैच कर रहा है. दिस इज नोन एज Prandtl mixing length theory. Clear? Prandtl found from his experiment L is equal to 0.4y where y is the distance from the pipe wall. y को distance कहाँ से consider करेंगे? From pipe wall. I'll show with the diagram. Here you have to understand this part only. Prandtl found from his experiment that is L is equal to 0.4y where y is distance from the pipe wall. At the pipe wall mixing length L is equal to 0 because y is equal to 0. अगर हम y पाइप वॉल पे कंसिडर करेंगे मिक्सिंग लेंथ तो कितना होगा? y का वैल्यू 0 होगा नियर अबाउट पाइप. सो y वैल्यू 0 means that L is equal to 0.4 into 0, it will become 0. So L is equal to 0. According to Prandtl, u dash is equal to v dash is given as L into du upon dy. L क्या है? लेंथ फ्रॉम एक्सपेरिमेंट और डी अपॉन डी वाई चेंज इन वेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू Prandtl u dash is equal to v dash given as L into du upon dy. So Reynolds equation, as per Reynolds equation, tau is equal to rho u dash into v dash. So putting the value of u dash and v dash in this equation, that is tau is equal to rho L into du into dy into L into du upon dy. So L into L, L square. So rho L square du upon dy, two terms. So it will also become square. So we can write tau is equal to rho L square in the bracket du upon dy square. This is objective question 1. Generally objective question are asked. You have to remember for GATE purpose and ES purpose or other exams. These equation should be remembered. So this is equation number 1. Now after arranging the term, that is रो को क्या किया मैंने? नीचे लेके गया लेफ्ट साइड में. तो टाउ अपॉन रो इज इक्वल टू L स्क्वायर इंटू डी यू अपॉन डी वाई का स्क्वायर. यू ऑल नो दैट जब हम स्क्वायर हटाएंगे L स्क्वायर से डी यू अपॉन डी वाई स्क्वायर से, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बिकम अंडर रूट. सो अंडर रूट टाउ अपॉन rho is equal to L into du upon dy. You also known, already discussed in some video lecture, that is under root tau upon rho is known as shear velocity. So it is written as v star. So v star value is equal to L into du upon dy. Clear? L का value already explained in the top of the page. V star. So putting the value of L here, that is 0.4y into du upon dy. After arranging the term, v star upon 0.4 into dy upon y is equal to integration of du. So after integrating, we get the value as 1 by 0.4 is 2.5 v star into dy upon y that is ln y is equal to u plus c, considering equation number 1. Clear? Now you have to find the value of c. At the center of the pipe, y value is r, so u will be u max. Clear? u max कहाँ पे होगा? सेंटर ऑफ द पाइप पे. when y का वैल्यू r होगा, तो पुटिंग द वैल्यू हेयर 2.5 v स्टार log, और यू कैन से नेचुरल लॉग, और ln r इज इक्वल टू u की जगह पे u max प्लस c. सो वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ c एज c इज इक्वल टू 2.5 v स्टार into ln r minus u max, put in the equation 1 already. So after putting the value, you will get 2.5 v star ln y is equal to u plus 2.5, the value of c 2.5 v star ln r minus u max. So after arranging the term, that is u max को लेफ्ट में हम लेके गए, u को भी लेफ्ट में गए, तो u max माइनस u अपॉन v स्टार क्या है, कॉमन है बोथ द केस के लिए, तो इसलिए हमने क्या किया, मैं थर्ड इक्वेशन पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ डायरेक्टली. u max माइनस u अपॉन v स्टार इज इक्वल टू क्या बचेगा 2.5 लॉग, और ln माइनस में है तो क्या हो जाएगा r अपॉन y, जैसे लॉग a अपॉन b यू हैव स्टडीड इन मैथ्स. सो 2.5 ln इन द ब्रैकेट r अपॉन y. नेचुरल लॉग को हम चेंज करेंगे, log टू द बेस 10, इट विल बी 2.003. So we will get u max minus u upon v star is equal to 5.75 log 10 into r upon y. This is equation number 2, or you can say from this equation objective questions could be made. Clear? Now this is known as Prandtl velocity defect equation. This equation is known as Prandtl velocity defect equation. Now we will discuss हाइड्रोडायनेमिकली स्मूथ एंड रफ पाइप. क्या है ये? हाइड्रोडायनेमिकली पाइप स्मूथ है और रफ है. रफ बाउंड्री कब होगा, स्मूथ बाउंड्री कब होगा? ठीक है. सी दिस डायग्राम ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, देयर इज अ टर्बुलेंट फ्लो. के इज द एवरेज हाइट ऑफ रफनेस, कितना ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, कितना रफ है. सो के इज नोन एज एवरेज हाइट ऑफ रफनेस. डेल्टा डैश इज सब लेयर थिकनेस. कंसिडर मैंने किया एक सब लेयर, उसके अंदर में वो वेरी कर रहा है, अगर ऊपर में क्या होगा, टर्बुलेंट होगा. कंसिडरिंग ए लेयर, दिस इज नोन एज और रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय डेल्टा डैश. दिस इज नोन एज सब लेयर थिकनेस. सिमिलरली सी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड डायग्राम, दैट इज हेयर K value is larger as compared to sublayer thickness. So I will explain what is the reason of this. So left one is hydrodynamically smooth. Clear? Hydrodynamically smooth boundary. And second one is, that is on the right side, this is hydrodynamically rough boundary. कैसे है? क्योंकि सब लेयर का जो रीजन है और थिकनेस है, उसके अंदर में ये आ रहा है एवरेज हाइट ऑफ रफनेस. सो दिस इज नोन एज हाइड्रोडायनेमिकली स्मूथ बाउंड्री. इन सेकंड डायग्राम मीन्स राइट हैंड साइड डायग्राम और सेकंड डायग्राम, हेयर सब लेयर थिकनेस इज लेसर देन एवरेज हाइट ऑफ रफनेस. सो दिस इज नोन एज हाइड्रोडायनेमिकली रफ बाउंड्री. नाउ Nikod's condition for rough and smooth boundary. You have to remember these formula in turbulent flow. So he has given K upon delta dash less than 0.25. It means it is a smooth boundary. If K upon delta dash greater than 6, it means this is a rough boundary. So if the value lies, or you can say K upon delta dash lies in between 0.25 less than K upon delta dash less than 6, so this is known as transition boundary. You have to remember this formula, there is no other choice. Now we'll discuss Reynolds condition for rough and smooth boundary. Upper one, Nikod's condition. This is Reynolds condition. These are the scientists they found from his experiments or from their experiments these data. So as per Reynolds condition, V star into K upon nu less than 4, then this is a smooth boundary. Clear? Where nu is kinematic viscosity. Again V star K upon nu greater than 100, this is a rough boundary. And if 4 less than V star K upon nu less than 100, this is transition boundary as per Reynolds condition. So V star K upon nu is known as Reynolds roughness number. Now we will solve some relation from the above equation. This is equation number 1. So already you have seen 2.5 V star ln y is equal to u plus c. This is equation 1. ln 0 will be undefined. This is the mathematical relation. So focus on this equation only. It is assumed that at y is equal to y dash. y को हमने क्या किया, y dash कंसिडर कर लिया, अज्यूम किया. तो क्लोज टू द वॉल y इज इक्वल टू 0. अगर वॉल के पास हम पहुंचेंगे तो क्या होगा, y विल बी 0, u विल बी 0. मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी कहाँ होता है, सेंटर ऑफ पाइप पे. When y is equal to 0, u also 0. So putting this value in this equation 2.5 v star log y dash is equal to 0 plus c. u का वैल्यू 0 है, y की जगह y dash. So we will get as c is equal to 2.5 v star ln y dash. So putting the value you will get as, so I'll explain only last part because no need to explain same process again and again. So finally you will get, after simplifying, it is u upon v star is equal to 5.75 log to the base 10 y upon y star. Valid for any boundary, rough and smooth. ऊपर के लिए क्या था, अलग अलग था, as per Nikod's equation, as per Reynolds. So this equation is valid for any boundary, rough or smooth. Now experimental results, that is the scientist found that is y dash is equal to delta dash upon 107 and delta dash is equal to 5 nu upon v star for flat plate. So I'll explain this part as, from experimental result y dash is equal to delta dash upon 107 or 107 for a smooth pipe. y dash का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, ये रिलेशन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. सिमिलरली experimental result y dash is equal to k upon 80 for rough pipe. Laminar sublayer thickness, that is delta dash, already explained in the diagram, given as 11.6 nu upon v star for pipe flow. So these equation or these relation you have to remember. Now we will discuss velocity distribution in a smooth pipe. Clear? कैसे distribute होगा velocity in a smooth pipe. You all know the u upon v star already solved in the above page, that is 5.75 after multiplying 2.5 into 2.303 log to the base 10 upon y dash. So you all know that y dash is equal to delta dash upon 107. So putting the value in this equation, that is y dash is 1 by 107 and 11.6 mu upon v star. This is the value of y dash. So putting this value here, that is in this equation, u upon v star, that is 5.75 log to the base 10 y upon 11.6 v or nu upon 107 v star. So after arranging the term, you will get as u upon v star 5.75 log to the base 10, 107 और 11.6 क्या हो जाएगा, एक दूसरे के 107 ऊपर चला जाएगा, v स्टार ऊपर चला जाएगा, y ऑलरेडी ऊपर है. क्लियर? सो क्या होगा, इन न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा, 11.6 टू न्यू. सो log 10 107 upon 11.6 into v star into y upon nu. So you can write or you can separate it out, that is u upon v star is equal to 5.75 in the bracket log 10 107 upon 11.6 plus log 10 v star y upon nu. So you can solve because log 10 107 upon 11.6 can be calculated. So after calculating, you will get final answer as, which is rectangular block which is red in color, that is u upon v star is equal to 5.75 log to the base 10 v star y upon nu plus 5.5 after solving the digital value. So generally from this equation, or you can say third objective question, can be found out, can be solved by this equation. This is valid for a smooth pipe and this will give you local velocity. Clear? Now velocity distribution for rough pipe. Page is slightly blurred, but I will explain one by one term. That is u upon v star is equal to 5.75 log 10 into y upon y dash. Same equation which I have already used in the above page. So putting the value here for rough pipe, that is k by 80. Clear? Y dash value is k by 80. So directly I am putting in this equation, that is u upon v star is equal to 5.75 log to the base 10 upon y upon k upon 80. So after arranging the term, we will get y upon k into 80. 80 क्या होगा, ऊपर चला जाएगा. So we can write u upon v star is equal to 5.75 log 10 to 80 plus 5.75 log 10 into y by k. So after solving the digital value, you will get as u upon v star is equal to 8.5 plus 5.75 log to the base 10 into y upon k. That is the equation number 4, or you can say objective question can be asked by this equation. This is valid for rough pipe and it will give you local velocity. Now we will solve average velocity. Average velocity in the pipe can be given as v upon v star is equal to 5.75 log to the base 10 v into r or v star into r upon nu plus 1.75 for a smooth pipe. This formula you have to remember, that is average velocity. V star is nothing but under root tau upon rho. So from the relation you can find out V star. We will give you the average velocity. So that is 5.75 log to the base 10 V star into r. R is the radius of the pipe upon nu kinematic viscosity plus 1.75 for a smooth pipe. और स्मूथ पाइप के लिए एवरेज वेलोसिटी फाइंड आउट करना होगा, तो हम ये इक्वेशन यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ फॉर रफ पाइप v अपॉन v स्टार 5.75 log 10 r upon k plus 4.75. Clear? You have to remember this equation. So you all know that I will finishing my topic here. That is the final equation of today's lecture. So u upon v star minus v upon v star, क्या कर रहे हैं हम, u upon v star को से हम माइनस v upon v star हम माइनस कर रहे हैं. लोकल वेलोसिटी को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, एवरेज वेलोसिटी माइनस कर रहे हैं. लोकल वेलोसिटी माइनस एवरेज वेलोसिटी. So putting the value in this equation, we will get 5.75 log to the base 10 y upon r plus 3.75. So local velocity is u, v is the average velocity. So we can write u minus v upon v star is equal to 5.75 log 10 into y upon r plus 3.75. Valid for rough and smooth boundaries. Clear? So ऊपर का जो इक्वेशन था वो स्मूथ बाउंड्री के लिए अलग था, रफ बाउंड्री के लिए अलग था. बट अगर दोनों को हमने मर्ज कर दिया, विल गेट द आंसर एज 5.75 log to the base 10 into y upon r plus 3.75. This equation is valid for rough and smooth boundaries. So, or rough or smooth in the pipe, when the flow is in the pipe rough, clear, and when flow in the pipe is smooth. So this equation is used in both the cases. So today I am finishing my topic here. Bye guys, thank you very much.